Sheffield, General Sales Manager at Candy's Campus in Halfway, Kentucky. What we're standing on right now is our Alpine 3800 front kitchen. Very limited number of these units in the US right now. We're fortunate enough to have one of them. So if you walk in the door, we have 4 steps. Come up into the living room here. We have a 5100 BTU fireplace, which is kind of swanky. It's got all the quartz jewels in it. 50-inch TV, surround sound. We've even got a ceiling fan. And then for up here, we have the front kitchen, which is all new. We have a dinette with a full double refrigerator, just like you'll see in your home. Solid quartz countertops with gas range, convection oven. This year, exclusive 2019, we have a front window. In the back, we have a full shower, 54 inches. And then in the bedroom, we have a king-size bed with a washer and dryer. This is a residential unit. You can go live on this and be completely comfortable. This is not really camping at this point, so.
Hey guys, we're at Candy's Campers today, and little does my husband know, but I'm gonna buy us a camper. This place is amazing.
The great thing about Candy's Campus is you can actually walk out in the lot. Everything is priced. There's no guessing. There's no salespeople tactics. The price is on the unit. Come on in, talk to our salespeople. They are not pushy whatsoever. And we have fun. This process, in fact, some of my salespeople today are wearing flip-flops. So we encourage that. But it's a great atmosphere. So what we try to do is we try to keep a lot of different floor plans. We chased down the factory for this. We had to have this. You know, we're trying to bring the newest floor plans to Candy's Campus. Even though we are in Halfway, Kentucky, you wouldn't think that we would carry something like this out here. Make the trip out here. We've got all the high-end units all the way down to camping units. This is a family-orientated business. It's family-owned. I don't think my wife will let me work anywhere else at this point, so I come home happy. That's the great part about working out here.